to another U.S. immigration law video. Today we are discussing Canadian visitors to the United States. Those coming to the United States simply on their passport, typically referred to as a non-control Canadian, someone who isn't issued a visa, or what is called an I-94 record of admission to the United States. And how long as a Canadian can you stay in the United States on that basis? Well, the old rule was you were able to stay up to 180 days at a time in the United States without issue, without taking any action. You could just come to the port of entry, show your Canadian passport, they would admit you, and then you were good to go, as long as you didn't stay over 180 days. Well, starting on April 11th, you probably already heard, there is a new alien registration requirement that limits your stay in the United States to 30 days unless you either pre-register by going to CBP's website or using the CBP app and obtain an I-94 within 7 days of your entry to the United States and indicating how long you will be staying in the United States if it's beyond 30 days, or if you're already in the United States and your stay is beyond 30 days as of April 11th, or will be beyond 30 days after April 11th, then you're required to complete USCIS Form G325R, alien registration. Failure to do this could result in immigration violations and fines for not complying with this registration requirement. So, a Canadian who appears at a port of entry and is admitted without an I-94, your stay is limited to 30 days without this alien registration requirement. If you want to stay beyond 30 days, you need to comply with the alien registration requirement. If you do not, it could impact your future ability to return to the United States, and you could be subject to fines and penalties because of that. If the easiest way to deal with this is to pre-register. Go to CBP's I-94 website and get an I-94 in advance of your visit to the United States if you're going to be here longer than 30 days, or use the app. That will also allow you to track your travel so that when you do exit, you can show that you exited the United States and that you were not here over the 180-day limit as well. So that rule, as of April 11th of this year, will change. As a Canadian, unless you have an I-94, your stay is limited to 30 days in the United States. If you stay beyond 30 days, then you must meet this alien registration requirement. If you fail to meet the registration requirement, then it could have potential immigration consequences. So keep in mind that this new registration requirement, if you're coming to the United States longer than 30 days, and make sure that you comply with it so that you don't impact your future ability to travel to the United States.